Kubli pi baro ng ipinang subhay pi siya katup kubo man tagajan miat siya paj kubo babanya ini pechwai kimat bukongsan. Menjur ka kanhuan ki menteri ka jing pentemai kendon an ke excise la ya kran halo ka jing penkelai ka tup benrap bahriau jong ka riti sensyal kadar kari ka Resident and Safety Act nolo ki wei kimat. Shimsmayu MLA ka Shela u balajit kupar senrem kum udkhot ka yang doba thau an mentag sngi ka jing don lang menteri rang ba Kejala u Konrad Sangma. Ladake ya ka fossils dia hash sora mat pang tinongkran halo ka jingdon ka mentene pensa iki fossils na ka benta ka lawai. Bat kan mau ka Meghalaya ya ka lingku sngiya ba art kundai jong menteri rang ba beningkong ka Jalao Captain Williamson Sangma mentag sngi. Ki khubor babnya ka kanhuan ki menteri jong ka sorka jala mentag sngi ka lamanjer ban pentrai kam no ya ka excise rules bat ki le mer jingmut ru halo ka Safety and Security Act ahaja khan riau na ka benta ki nong shong shnong ka Meghalaya bat kumju halo ka jing penkala ya ka thup ban rap ban riau jong ka riti sencha khadar kari aba ai jing kren shikala pathai khubor u menteri rang ba ka jala u Konrad ki Sangma u laong bala pentrai kam ya ka excise rules khnang ban kentiu ya ka jing yo jong ka sorkar ha ka jala bat lakhmi lenti ba ka jing yo jong ka sorkar kan kieu syaka nyau haduk praklur tingka hakashisnam. Ula pentip ru baya ke kendon an jong ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act ahaja khan riau on pentrai kam hadien balai tai sani bha bat ula ong baya ke ne kendon an ke bathmai on penkala shwa dagitnat badai pej kan wan ra byang pat hakmat ke yeng haka dorbar ke banwan khnang ba on la ban yo no ya ke jing benjur. Kakanhuan ki menteri ke le kran ru halo ka be dai bat ka jing penkala ya ka thup banrap ban riau jong ka riti senchar khada kari umenteri rang ba ula pentip ru ba ka komiti bala khlie da umenteri katnat District Council Affairs ula deb ban ye phliu jingmut bat ki seng Tremon ngobha ba pher khnang ba on la ban ra ya ka kamat sya ka komiti bat kumju sya katnat ki kampo yeng jong ka sorka pedeng
of the 6th schedule amendment. And as you're aware that the committee headed by the DCA Minister had exhaustive discussion with different stakeholders in order to take this matter up at a level of the Standing Committee as well as the Home Ministry at Government of India. The different points that were brought in by the committee that was headed by the DCA member, those points were discussed in the cabinet. There was a long questionnaire that was given by Government of India and there was a long questionnaire that was given by the MHA, and we have replied to that questionnaire. The reply to that questionnaire has been prepared, and that is what also was discussed in the cabinet today, so that we can be sure about all the aspects, and accordingly all those changes were made, and we will be sending the reply to MHA also.
Shisngi hadian baka Seng United Democratic Party kala job hak election chiteng samoy heshela uba balajit kupar senrem ubade ukhuan jong ulampang berim ke yeng dobar u Dr. Don kupar Roy ula shim smai kum udkhot ke yeng dobar thawan ke jela mantag sngi ya ka jing penbam smai la pendep da ulampang ke yeng dobar uba metba lingdo aga office berim jong ke yeng dobar ka badon hakandai lat shillong. Hakane ka jing penbam smile le don lang ru da menteri rang ba ka jela u Konrad ki Sangman ro ki weipat ki menteri sorkar ba ki nongilam na kaliang persha uba senrem ula job hakane ka election da ka bapenrem ye Congress Mary Karpuri da Andrew Hajar aspa atway vote Ringkat bat kari hi barok kawai la rakhe ka National Ayurveda Day ha Meghalaya mantag sngi kum shibenta jong ka nega sngi ka North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathic ka lapalong ye ka program palau jong ka Institute ha ka bale don lang da ulat ka jala utathagata Roy la nyau ba ka Ayurveda ka dai kawai ne kurukom ai jing sumar ka bala rimtam ka jing yada na ka jing pang bat ka jing kentiu ka kot ka khya ka dai ka thong ba khmat jong ka Ayurveda ya ulot dan vantari la nyau kum u nong pensapriang jingtep halor ka Ayurveda. Ka Geological Survey of India Northeastern Region mentagasngi kalarake ka fossils dia hakram arwa ka badon hasora ki fossils kidai ki mau bala saindur naduk ki por handai hintai bon na ki breu ki khot fossils ya kino ki ba e kum gish eng ne ki shinrong handai ki fossils ki la banwandur ha ki babon krukom ya ki fossils don kam banyada bat penne pensa namar bakine ki jaj mau ki pen idak pen ishin ya ka jinglong jingman naduk ki por umen barem tu ini khmi halo kani ka khubor
Ka Dr. Debahuti Mukherjee ka badai ka Superintendent Geologist ka laong ba ka National Fossil Day la jurakhe kum kadak ban pinpaw ya ka rukom wad bnya kat kum ka jing start science halor ka jing long jing man jong ka mariang bad ban pinsngau tho pai ba halor banya da ban pinne pinsa ya ki mau fossil na ka benta ka laway ka ban wan namar ba kini ki jaj mau ngenom la show ban yo byang sa sin.
Fossils are signature of life from the past, which is preserved in the rocks. Our Earth is very old, and in fact, it's more than 4,000 million years old. And life appeared here around 3,500 million years ago, and that is preserved as unicellular organisms in the rock.
Kijan mau fossil om tang ba ki itanat ban pej Henry ki long ki sakhi ki satar bar ki dak ki shen ki ba pin paw ya ga jingdon jong ki ha ki por ba min chwado la ong UMA khongla ubade Superintendent Geologist u la ong ru ba ki dak ki shen ki ba paw ha ki slading ne ki knyang lani ki no ki jing thau ki de shi ban ta jong ki fossil ki start scientist ki lo ju pendon kam ya ki fossil ban lum jing tep shapang ga jing im ba ga jing kala jong ga jing thau ba lai phau jai.
So now in this is the main way where the cave systems are formed. So now we can see this is a fracture that has developed in the rock, and along the fracture the water will seep in and slowly start dissolving the calcium carbonate along the walls. And slowly with time the walls become bigger and ultimately it becomes a cave system.
Kadbana kaliang assistant professor jong St. Anthony's College ka Nisha Chetri kalaong bal don kam ban pinchlori ki Rio Star ki bapuli bnya shapang ki fossil ban wan IG kai ki school ban banyeshim benta ki no ki program baju pelong ha ki park la ni ki museum kalaong ru bagajing wan jingo ya ki jaka ba pher kan yarap ya ki ban yo ban lum ya shibon ki jinang ki jingtep na ka benta ka puli bnya.
We are having a great experience out here. We can see what we cannot see in the class. Right now we can see all these things, but if this has not been preserved, the later generations will not see it, and then the scientific study of all these things will be stopped.
Dailing ba ki fossil bangi laban pinsngok tho kumno ki jing thong ki jingta bat ki mrat ki mreng ki yo ya ki jing bam ha ki por min shwa bat halor kumno ki kha khon bat ki long ki man ki fossil ki ai jing te bru balai bat ha kanu ko rukom ki do jat no. Bureau Report DD News Shillong.
Larakhe ka lingkhu sngiap ba arp khundai jong Captain Williamson e sangma ubade umintirang ba baningkong ka jala Meghalaya but udeiru Chief Executive Member baningkong e jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council Latura hapalau jong ka District Council Latura mantagasngi kum shibenta jong ka jingken mau burom ya ka negasngi ka GHADC ka lapelong ya ka program ba kerpang ha ka bala sakhi ya ka jingwan ya shimbenta jong ki breu na ki benta ba per aba ai jingpran ha ka negasngi kum ukongsan u Dipul Armarak ubade Chief Executive Member ka GHADC ulakran shapang ka jingno senyang jong Captain Sangma ha ka liang ka Garo Hills District Council bat ha ka jela ru kumju kiblaya donlang ha ka negasngi kentop ya BR Sangma Executive Member ka GHADC Tura u Reverend Johnson Armarak bat ki bahieng asem jong Captain Sangma na lor ki weipan.
Leaders' vision, and we must take it forward. The youth of today should remember the great leaders like them so that they have a vision and they have a future.
Te parlok katungi la poi shabakut jong tup kubor jong imentaga janmiet hadu bandishme pilesai kasingi hagajuk ko po kublei pi baro.